The question is, how can silver destroy bad bacteria and yet selectively spare the good bacteria? In other words, why does it kill pathogens like strep and staph and Pseudomonas and yeast, yet it doesn't kill our good intestinal flora? Here's why. If this is my silver and it's in a crystalline complex or a structure, this structured silver is significant because it's going to steal one electron. And we talked about that in an earlier video. So what happens if I steal an electron from this bacteria is that actually ruptures and the contents pour out. The bacteria dies. Because this membrane is only one electron thick, it's easy to steal one electron, rupture it like a water balloon, and it just gushes out. The immune system cleans it all up. Now, healthy bacteria is different. When you talk about healthy bacteria, we talk about bacterial classifications or nomenclature. What that means is that a bacteria is labeled by a genus or its genetic makeup and then its species. So we have Lactobacillus and then Acidophilus. That would be a good healthy bacteria. The genetic label Lactobacillus, all bacteria labeled Lactobacillus are labeled because they secrete a milk fat around themselves to protect themselves. So from their inner lining, they secrete like an excretion, coating themselves. So what you've got is like an M&M. Here's the soft milk chocolate and an extra coating around it to protect it from the acid that's in your stomach. You see, these are healthy and they line your intestines and they need to have protection from the acids of your stomach. They have learned to do so, evolved or created to be such by making this milk fat go around them. Silver is water soluble. Water and fats don't mix. They separate. Now, a bacteria with only one layer of electrons around it easily loses an electron and dies. But the good, healthy bacteria are genetically different with a second coating. And any water or any silver that comes in contact with it will not penetrate the fat. The fat layer is a barrier to silver penetrating it. It's that simple. The same thing can be said about every cell in your body if it's healthy. All of our healthy cells are made of a lipid bilayer. Lipid meaning fat, bilayer meaning two. So every cell in your body doesn't just have one layer, it has two. And they're made of fats, so water doesn't penetrate. The simple answer to why silver liquids and gels don't kill good, healthy bacteria is because they can't penetrate a double fat layer because they're water soluble, but easily steal from the electrons that are only one electron thick in the unhealthy pathogenic bacteria.